Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TX3150 or 3100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to align print heads to get the best print quality. What you need to do is select Setup menu button to number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will show you number 4 on the screen. Then select Copy Black button or Copy Color button. It will print out alignment paper. Then you take the paper printed out, open the glass scanner, put the paper face down, and also make sure it starts from this black part. Close the cover. Then select Copy Black or Copy Color. It will prompt the printer to scan the alignment page. The power light will be highlighting, and also this line will be going around on the printer. Once it's done, you will see a 0 and the light will be steady. So it's now showing us 0 and the light is steady. So remove this alignment paper and discard it. So this is how to align the print head to get the best print quality. Please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed. And this video tutorial is applicable to pretty much all the Canon printer, especially TX models. Thank you very much indeed.